let's change the battery on this phone. Samsung Galaxy S8. The phone is waterproof, so the back glass, this bit is quite difficult to remove. The glue on this is quite stiff. So what I'll be doing is, I'll be using my blade to pry it open like this. And then once it's pried open a little bit, I'll be inserting this in between the gap to cut the glue. So let's see what happens. It's easier said than done. That's the theory though. Let's see. The glue on this side is quite big, so it's best to open it from the other side. So let's do it then. It's quite stiff. Damn. Yeah, should have been more careful. Let me go and fix this up while you guys watch why I'm changing the battery on this phone. See you in a bit.
Several countries, including the UK, are reimposing limits on gatherings they hope will stop the spread of the virus. As Crystal Gamansing explains, in England, more regions are now under controversial restrictions.
I'm going to London to meet a friend. Is it gone through? Thank you. As I was saying, I'm on my way to London to meet a friend who's taken off today to meet me. It must be very important because of COVID, nobody's traveling anywhere. It must be very important that he's taken off to meet me. And he hasn't told me where he wants to meet me. So let's see where he wants to meet me. Smile from there. Did they get you to medicate? I wish you were here. I wish you were here. Everybody's telling me love is not, it seems to be, though you don't want it to. I bet I walk my way, let the hum and voices fade, living the way I do. Here I am outside the door, trying to collect my thoughts, silly words from yesterday. Damn it! Are you kidding me? Fuck's sake. I need to change the battery, man. What do I do now? Maybe I'll head back home and speak to him later on. The surprise has gone to the bin. Oh, fuck's sake. Yeah, I'm gonna head back home and I'm gonna speak to him later on. Let me change the battery and speak to him. He wanted to surprise me, but yeah, this is good for a surprise now. It's bad weather, COVID, and battery. They all surprised me today. So let's head back home. Okay, all passed up. I'm gonna be wearing my gloves now. Now, what I'm gonna do is gonna heat it up again. Now being very careful. This is my isopropyl alcohol. If we put alcohol on it, it really makes it easy to remove these things. I don't mind playing the villain. Got a pretty girl to the throne. Guess the memories come, and I can't even run. I gotta win this just to prove Need to be careful while getting the wireless charger off, because the wireless charger sticks to the back glass. I need to be very careful while trying to cut the glue. Sometimes we might cut the wireless charger off. So once we get to this point, up to here, we can warm it up and slowly pry it open rather than cutting it off. So if you just warm it up from here and slowly pry the back off, trying not to be too harsh to it because it might break off, and if the glass breaks then it's a headache again. And on this phone the finger scanner is attached to the, not attached, it's connected to the motherboard, so we have to be careful while removing that. So sometimes it just comes off. If it doesn't come off, we'll have to remove it slowly so that it's not broken or something. So it did try to come off automatically. So it just came off. I didn't have to do anything to it. This is the battery I'll be replacing. Okay, we don't have to open all of these. Just open this, or maybe I'll open it up and see. Normally you don't have to open it, we don't have to open it, but just to have a look at it, I'm opening it. This is not recommended using a metal, but if you can't remove it, you have to do all sort of things to remove it. This is the one I'm replacing it with. Let's see if this powers up or not. Powered up. Okay, it's got 55% battery. Let's see if this charges or not. Okay, it's charging fine. Okay, everything is working fine. Let me go and get the glue for this and I can put it back again. It's been a bad luck. Let's see. I might have broken some more. This is broken already, but I just dropped it, so I don't know if this is gonna work or not now. No, this is broken, man. Screen isn't working. Everything seems okay, but the screen is broken now. Damn. And the screen price is so expensive on this phone. Look at the price of these screens. £130, 115, 90. Oh man. I don't know what to do now. The screens are so expensive. It's about £130 per screen. So I don't know what to do. It's been a very bad day. And even last week was very bad. When I went to meet the friend, it was the bad. Damn, man. I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll just go for a walk and think about it. I don't want to buy a screen, and I backed up everything on my computer, Google as well, all the pictures and stuff. So let me think about it. So I thought long and hard, and I just came up to buy this phone instead of fixing the Samsung. So fixing this one, because it's too expensive and I don't want to waste any money on that phone. And if we could add a little bit more to £130, we would be getting a second-hand S8. So nah, I'm not gonna fix that phone. I just got this one. Everything was backed up and everything got in here. It's all good now. If you have everything backed up, you don't need to fix these phones. Samsung's above S6, I would not recommend you fixing them if they have a broken screen, unless all your data and
pictures, everything is not backed up, then it's okay to fix it and get everything from the phone. But if everything is backed up and the screen is broken, I would not recommend fixing it. Too expensive. Yeah, that's it. My S8 just died.